Let's go through my 5 pound mystery box of fabric that I got from Mood. Welcome, I do sewing and DIY related content, and I recently bought a 5 pound mystery scrap box from Mood, and today we are going to be unboxing it. So this came from Mood Fabric, so if you watch Project Runway, it's the same store. They have different mystery scrap boxes that you can get. They do it by pound, so this is the 5 pound box. I think normally they can run around $30. I got this on sale for around $22. Today we're going to walk through all the fabrics that came in it so you can see what it could have. Now, of course, it's always a surprise what would be in your box. Now, in mine, I got this red and white gingham cotton. It's really pretty, very vibrant. I don't really know what I would do with this, but it would probably, it's about a half yard, so probably a smaller, maybe quilt item. Then I did get some swimsuit material. I really liked how vibrant this print was. There's also about a half yard or so of this, so probably enough if I wanted to make like a bikini or something, but definitely fun to test out and play around with. Then I did actually get some linen. So I got this black linen that it feels very substantial when you're holding it. The camera lighting, I feel like the color doesn't show it exactly what it is, but it's this very nice black linen material. There's probably about a yard or so of this, and then they did give me another piece of linen. This one's a little different in color. It's like this yellow, mustard, olive green almost. Um, I don't really know if I love the color or not, but I'm still figuring out what I would do with this. Potentially, I'm just going to probably keep it for now and then I'll hold it. They are very nice linen material though, so I do really like the linen quality. So with both of them combined, I probably have about a yard and a half of linen, which was really exciting. Then it did come with like some suiting material, so this really nice black suiting material. When you look at the fabric, it does have little specks of like whitish gray that just add a little dimension to it. It is a really nice quality, like very smooth fabric, and there is a slight stretch to it, so there would be enough that maybe I could make like a pencil skirt. Then I did get these two pieces that they're both polyester. At first I thought that they were exactly the same, but one is very smooth and then one has a little bit more of a texture on it. This type of fabric just isn't my favorite fabric to work with or to use, so I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with them. Both of them also did not come with that much. One's probably around a quarter of a yard, then one maybe like half a yard. So I'll probably just keep them and think maybe something for next summer that I can work with for these. But as you can see, there's definitely a little bit of a texture difference between these two pieces of material. Then I also got this, it's like a cotton linen blend, and I only know that because it says it on the border of the fabric. But it's this really fun, vibrant print. So I like how it feels. It's very like smooth feeling. So maybe this could be some sort of like fun pillow for the summer. You can see there, I think that this is saying it's like a cotton linen blend. But I really liked how colorful it was in the print, so I'm excited to use it. Then I got like some nice duck cloth, so this feels very thick, very substantial fabric. I've seen some people like they will do different designs where they take something like this where it's more of a neutral and then they do a lot of different embroidery on it to make it really fun and vibrant. So I feel like maybe this was my sign that I should try that out with this fabric. Then one of my absolute favorites is I did get some red velvet. So I got a lot of this. There's probably like a yard of this material in this box. It is so soft, it is so smooth, especially with the holidays coming up. I'm so excited to work with it. It definitely is like upholstery velvet, so there is no stretch whatsoever and it is thicker. So I'm thinking maybe like stockings or a pillowcase. And then to go along with sort of the Christmas theme, I got this white faux fur. So there's not that much of it at all. I'm thinking almost it could be a border on the stocking if I decide to make that. But it was definitely a really fun surprise to see in the mystery box. I don't think I've ever gotten faux fur in a mystery box from any store before, so it was really fun to get to see it, to play around with it. I've used faux fur in the past for different projects, so it definitely is like a fun fabric. Overall, like I said, this cost me around $22. I definitely think it was worth it. Mood specifically says that they will not give you anything larger than a yard in the mystery boxes, so it's just all scraps up to a yard, and that's definitely what we had with this box. I think that a lot of this probably would have been so expensive to get like on its own, so combining it all together into like one surprise was definitely fun. I love mystery boxes. I am somebody who likes to see what's in there, and then I learn new fabric techniques with it. So I can't wait to use some of these out. Let me know if you have any questions about this. I'll also link, I got the Mood Mystery Trims box at one point, so I'll link that video down below. Thanks for watching.